Oh, hello. Are we live?
Ooh. Countdown. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Yes. Oh my. The girls are here. We got 1 minute before the show. This show is not. This show is edutainment. It stands for entertainment, education. It's not to be taken as.
Not financial advice.
That's right. We're not your financial advisor, and this is just one way of looking at investing. Just these charts, right?
You changed it?
I did change it.
What?
I messed it up a little bit, so that's the reason why. Okay.
You know why I was because I was up in Whistler.
So someone was up at Whistler.
But
Alright.
I don't think we told you.
That's right. We did not tell them because you were away. But with 11 seconds, 12 seconds, we're going to get this party started here. And then we're going to go as well. And Lolo's coming in here even though we're doing a stream. Okay?
I'll do it.
Wait, everybody. And what
Welcome
up, social media world? My name is
Kathleen Lip, Africa Lip, Cancer, and this is 8 at 8 at AM and touch right now.
right now. All right. So everybody, Lolo's talking about your stuff. So please, can we tell Lolo that we're doing a stream? And then, Lolo, I'm working. So give me a second here. Can you grab the toothbrush, please? All right, everybody. You're seeing on live. We're having a crazy time here as well. So can you guys please get going and then tell Lolo as well? Thank you. See, and we're just gonna get started. We're having some ish with their family, so we're just gonna keep on going here. So thank you, Lolo. All right, everybody. If you're a positional trader, you can take a look. This is the highs. This is the lows. We've dropped considerably, and now we're having a little bit of a bounce, everybody. And if you bought these lows, congratulations, you're riding them back up as Apple's going back up. So with this as well, here, these are your Bollinger Bands, and we're at the top end of this Bollinger Band. You can see that you probably want to sell here as it's going up. There's a couple days where it had peaked outside of this and it dropped back down. Right now it is still rallying, unbelievable. Even today it is, still trying to make a nice little run. So is it overextended? If you sold out here, you would miss this run. You sold out here, you missed that run. How do you know too much is enough? And how you can tell is right here. You can take a look at the overextended. It got overextended here. It retraced. It got overextended. It retraced a bit. It can stay up here for a long time, but it is overextended. Once the strength gets above the 70 line, of course it can go even higher. But that's how you know that it's a little overextended as well. But you gotta ride these while you can, right? So I would have stayed in it all the way here. This is where you're starting to think about, okay, it touched once, twice. Is this a divergence? Is this lower than that one? Is it going back down, or is the trend kind of still up, right? Right now, it looks like it is still, this little RSI on a chart on its own, it looks like it's still kind of going up. So I don't know if I can see that, because I'm going to try to zoom in and try to get a little bit better for you guys as well. So it zooms up and then down and then now up here again. So this peak was, let's see here, 71. This is 75. Yeah, 71. This is 50. So it's making a little, it's not as high as it was. It's going to try to pierce it. And obviously this is a small change as well. But it is above that 70. And it is overextended. Will it retrace? It's due for a retracement. As you can see, it's always retracing. But where will it floor up? Man, no one kind of knows as well. So with that said, I didn't pull this up, but you guys can watch me do that. So let's just go here and let's see if we can look up some news and earnings and all that good stuff for Apple. So if you are an investor, you're going to Apple's, but let's take a look if we can look at earnings right here. Earnings calendar. We're taking a look at Apple, AAPL, right here. They had their earnings call. Oh. You see it's waiting for the system. And I can't even get this to come up. Why is that? You want Apple. Go! There you go. So it had its earnings call already, July 28th. 1.16. They gave us 1.2. We like that as well. Let's see what's going to move the calendar today in our economic world. We look at the financial events for the day. And we take a look at this. What is going to happen in our economic world? Not a lot chiming in for the states, right? So not a lot to lose, but we can always look at Apple. You just come in here, Apple. I usually put in stock news. Then you get to see what there is. You can click the news tab, and then you can see what happens. Investors should still love the stock. Should you really follow Warren Buffett's lead on Apple stock? And one day ago, what did he do? Warren Buffett invest in things. It's more than half of Berkshire Hathaway's. Obviously, we knew that. And that's Warren's style. Just investing in a few stocks to hold. So, with that said, yeah, not a lot's going to move the day. Let's go to intraday and let's see what's going to move it today, because it has been bouncing around as well. So, and that's not intraday. That is intraday. So for intraday, what we usually like to do is take a Fibonacci. Right here, we'll take the lows and we'll take the highs. So it has hit highs for, it seems, this week. And it's in a nice little range right here. 167.87 is the highs. It dropped down as the market started to pull back a little bit. It hit low as 66s. And now it's kind of going back up to VWAP where it is about 79 even. So it's swinging around $2, I would say, today. Where is it going to go? I think the markets have made that high for today. It's had a nice little rally. But you can see here it's like kind of like a little head and shoulders. I think we're going to go back down a little bit lower. But it has a strong floor. It had 165. So I expected that to hold a little bit here. So that's my kind of analysis for today for you intraday traders. Happy trading. Make some profit. I'm just going to roll the outro. Keep it simple. And there's the outro. We're rolling it right here. And we got 2 minutes to this. But we are, I don't know if there's anything else here, but I got to get the girls ready. There's some crazy changes here, so we are adjusting on the fly. So we'll be back, and we're just gonna close it out. Peace out, everybody.